Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to add a credit or debit card in Alipay. To add a credit or debit card, you need to open your app, okay? You need to open your Alipay app and then you need to log in. Once you log in, you're going to see this screen right here, like this one, and then you're going to click this button called Add Now. This button will open this screen right here, and here you can add your uh, credit or debit card information. This is really easy to do. You just need uh, type your uh, bank your credit bank number, okay, or debit card number, or simply click this button right here, scan bank card, to scan your card, and you just need to click this button at once you have entered your your numbers right here. And then um well in this page right here, this this the app we're gonna ask you for uh, the bank of your car. You're going to find your bank card right here, and there you go. This is really easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. You just need to add your bank card right here and then add all the rest of information that appears here. Okay, you just need agree to terms and add your card. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.